Everybody, you're seeing what I'm seeing on the markets right now, the news, the updates, the whales, the pumps. It's happening. We're so close. And you know what the best part is? We're not in the bull market and not none of the Bitcoin ETFs have been approved. Are you kidding me? I mean, today we had the FOMC meeting. I'm about to tell you everything that transpired, plus more commentary. Looking at right now, the price is 35,200 was the level. Today at 8 a.m., we reached it once again. Then we went down. And now today, finally, crypto to the question, are we going to break out? Are we going to break down? You saw that we had a nice bull pennant symmetrical wedge. Well, here's the answer. Finally, Bitcoin breaking out really nicely this higher, because that's obviously what we wanted to see. And well, I think the way forward right now is higher because after the bull pin at the bull flag, we're looking at 36,000 now. We pass nicely. Let's go to the 4 hours because that way we're going to see a little bit better. Here's where we pass it earlier today and now to 35 and $600. But you know what? Bitcoin wasn't the token, the coin that stole the show today, because that was none other than Solana with $46 per one starting on October 31st, right? All the way to 46, from 36 to $46. That was insane. So a lot of big moving parts breaking out, everybody. CRONOS is steady moving to all the crypto.com army. It's good news because the retracement is actually not going on, meaning there's well still buying. And to everybody holding these tokens, including Bitcoin, I have good news for you. Guess who just bought more? Breaking news. MicroStrategy just acquired 155 more Bitcoin, $5.3 million. Let me tell you the full story, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome. Oscar here. We know today that there's a pause in the FOMC meeting. That was, which we saw live. It was really neat, right? Basically, nothing much other than they're trying to, cool down inflation and just bring everybody to a 2% goal inflation rate using some restrictive policies, period. I just summarized 2 hours. That's it. Other than that, crypto, I think, reacted really positively. 1.31 trillion right now globally. I mean, the one in the last 24 hours is going to be Solana, that it was in the number one position, but it crashed a little bit nicely, as you might expect, from 46 to 41. People were buying it because of the hype. Now they sold it off. Uniswap is the one kind of like keeping that level at 15%, near quantum arbitrum and more. So, keep in mind that there's a lot of bullish momentum, greed. This is a great opportunity for people to make money trading, right? Not much longing because that's going to take a little bit long, but trading, on a day, on a 48-hour top max trade. So that's kind of like what I'm talking about. Just last week greed. I'm pretty sure that October is going to signal greed as well. So it's exciting that we're going to finally see a great historical values in such a long time. Easily, I can dare to say in years, because we haven't seen that in a while. So it's really positive that we are indeed. So now that we have passed this, let's go to the 1 hour, guys. Now that we have passed it, where will we go from 35 and 400, which should be putting ourselves in the $37,000 in November? I don't see why not. Given the fact that we're still waiting on the Bitcoin ETFs and everybody knows it's going to explode the price of Bitcoin, I'm sure that more whales are going to be coming into the market and buying altcoins as well. So if you hold crypto.com, great job. It's not stopping, and at 6.2 right now, from 4 cents, passing 5 cents, and now trying to go to the 7 cents and 8 cents. If you like XRP, great job, everybody. 60 cents right now, holding steady, not crashing. I think those are good news. How about Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu, we're looking at 507, 508. Not moving much, actually. The last prices of Shiba Inu had been much more consolidated. Even in October was higher. So I don't think people are paying too much attention to Shiba Inu right now. And I can only say that because I'm basing my analysis on the price. People are buying Bitcoin, people are buying other different altcoins other than Shiba Inu. But Shiba Inu eventually has to take off. You have to be patient. But conversely, comparing to Crow, it's super refreshing that people are finally giving some attention to this token, because you and I know how important it is, how powerful it is, and everything that represents. So love to see that from October 19 at 5.1 to November 1 at 6.1, 6.2. You see the difference, right? It's a little bit, but it just shows how people are still buying, staking, and adding more positions as they go. Ethereum, everybody, 1800 approaching 2000. So hasn't put out the best and highest price in a while, but super happy because Bitcoin already passed the highest price. Ethereum was, let's add it here, at 1866 in a long time, all the way back to August. But Bitcoin is putting the highest price in forever, since last year. You can go all the way here, and this is the price of Bitcoin going back to May 7th at $35,000, where the price of Ethereum has been at that level this year. So it's really awesome. Let's go closer with Bitcoin. It's really awesome that Bitcoin is really shattering the glass and going fast. That's what we want. That's why more people are buying. So you will decide whether you want to get into the projects when it's blood in the streets or when it's green, right? What everybody does, it's super easy. So that's like the main subject to remember. But overall, there's a lot of great news when it comes to the Bitcoin ETFs right now. More reviews and responses from the SEC alerting people that an approval is soon to come. Some people asked me during the live about an approval date, and we know that AB Research, right, an asset manager, $779 billion asset manager, is predicting January the 10th. By January the 10th, they state we may have a response, meaning we have months, about 2+ months, so we can continue accumulating based on the different trading patterns and then see our money go higher. Know that the approvals of the first Bitcoin ETF can be used as a sell the news. Just understand, and I know I tell it to myself, it's going to be an amazing opportunity to see everything grow after the fact of the sell-off event. But other than that, we're seeing very bullish, excited, finally passing. And thank you so much for watching, everybody. I appreciate your support. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time, because this one is not going to let us sleep. You tell me in the comments which tokens you're buying, because now we're going to eat higher. Peace.